I gave you my heart.
What's up, Team Dragon? It's Dragon Gaming, and today we are playing Roblox Row Wizards. And today, we got Van here. He's my helper in today's video. So today's video, what we're going to be doing is, in this game, I'm going to be showing you guys every single spell. It's basically a Harry Potter spell, and I'm gonna hold on. Just give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna pause it right here. So we're gonna basically showing how much damage it does, how much everything. So if you would please stand near to that headless statue, please. It's right behind you. Yes, just stand near it. So the first spell is this stupefy spell. So I've got it here. If you can shoot it once, it like slides it down. Now you can hit me with the stupefy. Yeah, wow. Just hit me with your stupefy. Yes, as you can see, oh, that's enough. So now, also just to notice, it actually makes a gun noise. But give me a sec, guys. Also, you can like shoot like 5 bullets, like 5 spells. So the next spell is gonna be an attack. Of course, is gonna be Defendo. So Defendo is basically, it shoots like this and you get 2, and you can, it does 18 damage, and now you can hit me. Yeah, and for some reason the screen turns red. I don't know why that happened. Okay, that's enough. So so our next spell is going to be Fulguritus. It's basically like I'm going to demonstrate it. You actually have to kind of hold it. Hold on. Van, let me heal you. Yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Just stay still for a second. Okay, I think that's good. So our next spell is going to be Bubbly, which is basically like, if you guys watch Pokemon, it's like a bubble beam attack. I'll show you. Okay, never mind. I screwed up. The next one is related to it, the aqua something that I just called cream. I don't know how someone tell me in the comment, how do you pronounce this? Something aqua carcerum. I think that's how you spell it. So it's called aqua carcerine. Okay, so can you just stay still for a second, please? It's basically like ground you, and it does like 10 to 12 damage. How did I just do this? This is enough. Okay, that's probably a bug. So let's move on to the next one. It is Fiend Fire. For this one, can you please stand like away, like stand like over here. Hey, can you like stand over here, please? This is basically like a fire dragon thing. I'll show you guys. I said away from me. Okay, that's a good distance. So because if you like stay close to it, it can like, oh dude, that's a bug. If you stay close to it, it can like backfire. So you see that it like tosses you in the air, and dude, I think you're bugged. Okay, now wait, let's see what happens. Let me see. So now I'm going to heal him up, and then I'm going to show you guys what happens. Can you stand still for a second, dude? Ow! Wait, why are you hitting me? Oh no, I think we have an intruder. Yeah, I'm just gonna ignore him. But hold on, I'm gonna pause this until we oof him. So we have to like change spots because those guys literally came to do him. So let's see what happens when you do it. Come close. So stay close to me. Stop trying to stupefy anything. I said, yeah, just stand like this, okay? So if you do that, it can backfire like that. Why do we have to run? Hold on. Let me heal both of us. There we go. Are you typing or something? Dragon get panicked. Oh, that's what's up. So I guess we'll just find some other place to PvP. Is that what you're trying to say? Wait, I don't get it. Hold on. Okay, so he's just trying to joke here.
I was just trying to make it funny, dude. No.
Okay, so we're gonna hop up to the next one. That guy's trying to bully us. Hold on, give us a sec. So the next spell will be Ricta Sampra. Yeah, it's Ricta Sampra. And now Van's gonna demonstrate us. So will you please do it at me? And he'll tell us what it does. Hold on. Yeah, I'll do it first. I don't think it does anything. What does it do? Oh wait! I just realized we can use it to get this XP. Okay, so move. That's it for that one. Actually, hold on. I feel like Van's gotta say something. Oh, that's what. Oh, that what it does. All right, so let's go to the next spell. So the next category is gonna be the defense one, and in the defense, the first one will be Expelliarmus. Pretty sure every Harry Potter fan is aware of what it does. You hold it in your hand, it disarms for a while. Wait, I think my game's bugged. Yeah, you do it on me. Actually, I'll do it first. Yeah. Look, he dropped his wand, and now it takes a while. Yup, he got it back. Now you can do it on me. Anytime now. Yeah, look, my wand drops on the floor. I can't. Yup, it's back up. Moving on to the next spell. So the next spell is going to be the healing spell, which is Episki. I'm pretty sure every one of you just saw me healing Van right here. So, dude, stop. So what I'm going to do is, can you stop? I'm trying to demonstrate. So I'm going to attack him once. As you can see, his health goes down. Now I'm going to use it on him. That will heal him. It's kind of stupid to think that it only heals your enemies and not like other people and not yourself. So once you can, Van, you can do it to me. So wait, hold on, attack me, and then use Episki. Pretty sure you have Episki on you. You have to hit me first. Alright, moving on to the next spell. So the next spell is going to be Glacius. Well, this thing actually has two uses. If you can shoot it on the ground and it's going to make an ice flow which makes you slip. Or you can actually... Oh, I just accidentally put Episki. There you go, Glacius. Can you get up? Yeah, you can get up now. Unless you're typing something. It's a spell which is cold. Get it? Oh yeah, I get it. That's a good one. So if you can you stand still? Can you stand still, please? So if you hit a player with it, it's going to freeze him basically. So you basically can't move for like 1 to 2 seconds. All right. So, oh dude, you literally. Wait, can you stand still? Dude, stop moving. You are literally wearing a whole scarf and you still saying shivers. Alright, let's go to the next spell. So the next one is going to be Protego. You can actually, all the PC players, you can actually just hit Q on your keyboard and it will instantly make the Protego. So Van can do it right now. Do it. Yeah, so this is what it does. It's basically a shield. And I'm going to show you something else. So Van, when I say stupefy me, alright? So make sure it has loaded, and when I say, you have to shoot me, alright? And do it now. That didn't work. Let's try it again. Okay, when I say, Alright, just load Stupefy up. Okay, when I say go, you have to launch Stupefy on me. Okay, 3, 2, 1, now. Look, as you saw, I don't know if you saw it clearly, but when he shot me, it actually backfired. Or you can also say rebounded. Yeah, that's cool, I know. But the thing is, it like goes away really quick. Yeah, I'll show you. It like goes away in like 1-2 seconds. Okay, next spell. Alright, the next one is going to be Expecto Patronum, which doesn't really hurt players, but they're only meant for Dementors. Yeah, just that's all it does. Moving on to the next one. So the next one will be this one, which I'm not even going to try to pronounce. But what it does is it actually makes a wall. So when I say hit me with Stupefy, right? In 3, 2, 1, now. Look, it can make a wall so that you can't shoot me anymore. Like, at least it has some health, I think. So, let me do it again, just for you guys to see it clearly. Like, you can like imagine someone's like throwing fireballs at you. With what? You can crank 90s. Oh, that's a good one, dude. That's a good one. You can like, and there's a wall. So that's really good one. Alright, so moving on to the next spell. Okay, so the next one is going to be Immobilis. What this one does, can you please stand still? I don't know if you have it, but if you do it, it will freeze you. You also for some reason turn blue. Alright, so I think you're typing something. So I'm just gonna. Alright, so the next spell is going to be Fumos, I think, which basically makes a cloud of laggy gas. I'm just gonna throw it on him. I'm gonna go into. It's not really. I wouldn't call it laggy. Yeah, that's it. Okay, guys, this is so okay. This guy. All right, so the next one is going to be Protego Electrica, and this is what it does. All right, and like this energy person, they're going to get knocked back. Yeah, he's just stuck. Oh, dude, we got a bully. Thor has arrived. Oh yeah, that's nice. Ow, dude, we got a bully. Just guys, give me a sec.